Today's topic is finding squares. You should learn the squares from 1 to 20. You should know the squares of from 1 to 20. First, let's find the squares of a number whose ones place has 5. So let's find 25 square. So you have to do, first thing is you have to multiply 2 with the next number. So it becomes 6. Then find 5 square. So what is 5 square? 25. So it is 625. Now let's try 45 square. So first step, 4 into 5. So it becomes 20 and then do 5 square. So the answer is 2025. So you can use this method to find the squares of the numbers which has 5 as its ones place. Second, we'll find the squares 10 to 100. So let's find the squares of any 2-digit number. For example, I am taking 32 square. First step, what is 3 square? 9. So I am writing everything in 2 digits. So 9. So 3 square, it is 9. I am writing in 2 digits. So it is 0, 9. Next, 2 square, it is 4. So I am writing as 0, 4. Next, you have to add 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 into 2 into 2. So the answer is 3 to 6, 6 to 12. So I am writing 12. First I am placing one 0 here and now I am writing 12. So now add it. This is 32 square. 78 square. So first you have to write 7 square, which is 49. Next 8 square, 64. Next you have to do 7 into 8 into 2. So 7 multiply by 8 multiply by 2. So 7 8 is 56 and multiply by 2 is 112. So now I have to put a 0 here and now write 112. So just add. So 4, 8, 6. So 78 square is 6084. Next we'll see 53 square. So 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. But I have to write in 2 digits. So it should be 0, 9. Next 5 into 3 into 2. So 5 3 is 15. 15 2 is 30. So now I have to add one 0 here and write 30. So the answer is 9082. So final answer is 2809. So you can find the square of any 2-digit number in this method, even that ends with 5. Now let's go for the third one, where you can find square of a number up to 1000. So you can use this concept, the third concept, even to find the square of a 2-digit number. So now let's take 113. So let's check how to find 113 square. So the nearest number whose we can go for is 100. So to get 100, what I have to do? I have to subtract 13. So I get 100. So now same number you have to add. So 113 plus 13 makes 126. So next you have to find 13 square. Why I am taking 13 square is because here I have subtracted 13 and added 13. So I am taking 13 square. 13 square is 169. Now I have to divide this number by 100. Since we are dividing it by 100, which is having 2 zeros, we have to take the last 2 digits in this. So now it becomes 126. So now the final answer will be, so the last 2 digits is 69. Why I am taking only last 2 digits is because here there is 100 which is having 2 zeros. So only last 2 digits you can write as it is. So what happens to this one is, this one will be carry forwarded. So 1 and 6 makes 7, 12. So 113 square is 12769. So I am taking the nearest number as 350. So to get 350, what I have to do is, I have to add 7. So now what we have to do? We have to subtract 7. So now what is 343 minus 7? It is 336. Now what you have to do? You have to find 7 square. 7 square is 49. So now I told you, you have to divide it by 100. So now this 2 digit will be your final answer. So now 0, 0 cancel. So 35 by 10 will becomes 3.5. So 3.5 I can write it as 7 by 2 into 336. So if you cancel, this 336 will become 168. So now find what is 7 into 168. So 7 8s are 56. 7 6 42. It becomes 47. 7 1 7. It becomes 11. So there is no carry forward in this. So the final answer will be 117,649. Let's find a square of 887. So the nearest number I can take is 900. So to get 900, what I have to do? I have to add 13. So now you have to subtract 13. Subtract 13, you get 874. Now you have to find 13 square, which is 169. Now I am dividing it by 100. So I can take 2 digits. So in your final answer, the last 2 digits will be 69. So now you have to find what is 9 into 874. It is 9 4s 36, 9 7 63, so it becomes 66. 9 8s are 72 and 6. So now what will be the third digit? The carry forward is there. So it will become 7 6. So what is 887 square? It is 786,769. So let's see an example of solving a 2-digit number with the same concept. So 74. So nearest I can take as 70. So to get 70, what I have to do? I have to minus 4. So now, so you have to do plus 4 here. It becomes 78. So 4 square, it becomes 16. So since it is a 2-digit number, you have to divide it by 10. If it is a 3-digit number, you have to divide by 100. If it is a 2-digit number, you have to divide it by 10. So now it is 7 into 78. And since we have taken 1 0, only you can write single digit. Now 7 into 78 will be 546. So now next digit, this 1 will be carried forward. So I can write it as 754. So 74 square is 5476. So which method is easy for you? You can find using that method. One is either you can find 2 digit and 3 digit using the same concept, or else you can use the second method to find the square of a 2 digit numbers.